The judge dismisses sex abuse charges against Terry Bean, a prominent political fundraiser with ties to the White House.
And prosecutors said they simply couldn't go forward with the case because the alleged victim refused to testify. Tim Becker in the courtroom and has more from Eugene.
This case took a few twists and turns along the way, but at the end of the road, Terry Bean is free of all the sex abuse charges he faced down here. And prosecutors still wonder if his attempts earlier to financially settle out of court had an effect on the outcome here today.
Let me tell you the frustration that we have. I think this result offends justice.
District Attorney Eric Hasselman tells me the state had a strong case against Terry Bean. He and ex-boyfriend Kaya Lawson were accused of having sex with a 15-year-old boy in a Eugene hotel room.
We have witnesses that put him there. In fact, he was the one who rented the hotel room.
Mr. Bean, can we get some comments? Bean would not talk today, but in a statement says he's innocent of every accusation that was made. He's described as a wealthy commercial developer, gay rights activist, and political fundraiser. His lawyer says charges should have never been filed.
We had facts that we would have presented at trial that Mr. Bean wasn't present in the room, and we had a witness that would have corroborated that.
Two sides, two different stories. Only the alleged victim knows the truth, but his attorney tells me he's been traumatized, even attempted suicide, because of the stress and possible embarrassment of a public legal proceeding. There's still some belief that maybe he was paid to not show up. Is that the case?
Not at all. Absolutely not.
Mr. Bean offered him over $200,000 to civilly compromise this case.
Though Bean's earlier motion for civil compromise was rejected by a judge, prosecutors suggest it might have had a significant influence on their star witness.
If you're this child and you have the choice between embarrassment and $5 a day and over $200,000 for your use, it seems to me that that would be a highly influential factor in deciding what you're going to do.
The judge ruled today's dismissal as without prejudice. That means charges can be refiled if the alleged victim changes his mind. In Eugene, Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.